Okay, Assalamualaikum. So for this topic, we are going to explore about investment appraisal. Okay, for investment appraisal is basically a situation that a technique that you need to apply in order to help you to make the best decision for your business, for example. Okay, for example, like in certain scenario, you have to make decision. For example, like you have to choose between the project, okay, project A and project B, which one is more profitable to your organization, for your to your companies. Okay, so you can apply this technique to help you to make decision. So another example that perhaps in certain scenario you have to make decision for type of materials, which material is more suitable, is more it give more benefits to your companies. Okay, material A or material B, you can apply this technique as well. And so that's some of the example on how we can apply this appraisal technique. So for this technique, we have five techniques, okay, which include net present value, internal rate of return, modified internal rate of return, payback period, and also accounting rate of return. So for these three, NPV, IRR, and MIRR is what we call it as a discounting method of evaluation, whereby for payback period and accounting rate of return is more a traditional method of evaluation. Okay, so this is the selection rules of this technique. So when you apply the calculation, you give you results. So based on the results, we need to identify whether we need to accept or not the project or the option that we have. Okay, so for MPV, if the value of MPV show more than 0, okay, if more than 0, we have to accept. Okay, if lower than 0 means is negative lah, we have to reject. Okay, if the value is negative, we reject. If the value of MPV is positive, we accept. Okay, if both options are positive value, let's say project A 500, project B 1000, so we go for the highest. Okay, we go for the highest lah. If the MPV is equal to 0, it's indifferent, means that it's not much different. Okay, you can go for it or you can reject it. For IRR, it's more on cost of capital. Cost of capital is in percentage, or we call it as a minimum acceptable rate of return, MARR. Okay, MARR. So let's say for the project, the MARR or cost of capital has been set to 10%, let's say. Okay, so you apply the calculation of the technique of IRR. So the result is if more than 10%, you accept it. Okay, if lower than 10%, you reject it. Okay, so it depends on your cost of capital. Okay, so if equals to 10%, that's much different. Same goes to MIRR, modified internal rate of return, also based on cost of capital, also based on percentage. If more than cost of capital, you accept. Lower than cost of capital, you reject. Okay, so for payback period, it's a target period for you to get back your investment money. Okay, so let's say you invest 10 million, you set a period of 3 years. Okay, for example. Okay, you target 3 tahun, dah dapat balik 10 million tadi. So if after you apply this technique, if less than target period, you accept. If more than target period, you reject. If equals, up to you lah. It's nothing much different kalau equal. Okay, and the last one is accounting rate of return. Is target rate. Okay, is in percentage. So maybe you targeting a return rate of return of 30%, for example, your companies. So you apply the techniques of ARR. If you get more than 30%, you accept. If lower than 30%, you reject. So that's what we call it as an appraisal technique. Okay, there are 5 techniques. Okay, so it's advisable for you to apply as much technique as possible so that you can enhance your results. So you cannot rely on one technique only. Okay, sometimes one technique is not enough. It's not sufficient enough to support your justification, to support your findings. Okay, so you have to apply all this technique. Okay, so this is the selection rule of all the techniques. After this, kita akan tengok each one of it lah. Okay, for this appraisal technique. Okay, we continue in the next video. Thank you.